Hello friends, and welcome to Technique. Today in front of the camera, as you can see, that I have got Audio Technica's ATH-M20x headphone. This is a headphone which is mostly used at the studios like DJ studio, or even the radio jockeys use such kind of stuff. This product is available in the market at the rate of around 4,000 plus, and if there are some offers from some of the marketplaces online, then you can find it at a much cheaper rate. So let's unbox this and see what are we going to get this one. So there's the option for you. Yeah, you can get the whole. This is just open this way. Oh, nice lecker. There is the user manual. Yeah, Audio Technica user manual, multilingual it is. No, nicely packed. Oh, this comes out nicely packed. And there is kind of, okay, this is the option for connecting it to digital system, and if you want to remove, you can take it out and you can find it the 3.5 mm jack inside, which you can connect to your mobile systems and laptops, and let's enjoy the music as you want. Not just the music, even you can watch the movies with a better clarity, because there is a better noise cancellation within this headphone, which is going to give you the output in a very positive way. So let's open this. Okay, removing the usual stuff. This one too. This is the one here, Audio Technica ATH-M20x. So let's connect it to a system, a headset or a mobile system. Okay, sorry, yeah. Here I'm going to connect it to. Okay, I can play the music as well. Yeah, here's the music. You can listen to the music. The sound is very low. I'm playing the music. Oh, very clear music, you can hear it. That's an awesome clarity is there. So that's all as far as demonstration of this Audio Technica ATH-20x is concerned. This is a very beautiful headphone which you can use at various labels in various companies and at various studios, and can enjoy the music and can enjoy a lot of things by connecting it to your mobile system. Also at home, you can have a better fun with this. And if you are looking to buy this is available on most of the marketplaces. You can buy from Amazon, Snapdeal, or even from Flipkart and others also. And do not forget to look for the authorized sellers, because the seller is going to give you the service also. So this is one of the best headphone for you, available for you. As you can see, the grip of this headphone is also shown in a very positive way. So this is all here, and again I'm requesting you people to please subscribe to my channel, so that I can keep making such kind of videos for you. And if you have any queries, please put in the comment box. We would surely be answering your queries. Thanks for watching. Thanks, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.